Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video we're sharing 10 side hustles that you can start in 2023 using ChatGPT. These side hustles have the potential to be successful and rewarding, and ChatGPT can help you along the way. But first, let's define what's a side hustle. A side hustle is a way to make money on the side, typically in addition to your full-time job. It can be a great way to earn some extra cash, pursue a passion project, or even turn into a full-time business. Now, let's dive into each of the 10 side hustles that you can start in 2023 with ChatGPT. Number 1, freelance writing. If you have a passion for writing and want to turn it into a side hustle, ChatGPT can help you generate unique and engaging content for your clients. Whether it's a blog post, website copy, or a social media post, ChatGPT can save you time and effort while producing high-quality work. Number 2 is social media management. Do you have a knack for creating compelling social media content? With ChatGPT, you can easily generate social media posts that are tailored to your target audience and schedule them in advance. This can save you time and allow you to make on more clients. Graphic design. ChatGPT can help you create professional quality graphics for your clients. Whether you are designing logos, social media graphics, or marketing material, ChatGPT can save you time and effort while producing high quality work. Virtual assistants. If you have a variety of skills and want to offer your services as a virtual assistant, ChatGPT can help you streamline your work and produce high quality deliverables for your clients. Number 5 is blogging. If you have a passion for a particular topic and want to turn it into a side hustle, ChatGPT can help you generate unique and engaging content for your blog. You can use ChatGPT to write blog posts, create social media posts, and even design graphics. Number 6 is affiliate marketing. If you have a large following on social media or popular blog, you can use ChatGPT to generate unique and engaging content that promotes affiliate products. ChatGPT can help you write product reviews, create social media posts, and design marketing materials. Dropshipping. ChatGPT can help you create product listing and descriptions for your dropshipping store. You can use ChatGPT to write compelling product descriptions that will appeal to your targeted audience and optimize them for SEO. E-commerce. If you're running an e-commerce business, ChatGPT can help you generate unique and engaging content for your website and social media channels. You can use ChatGPT to write product descriptions, create social media posts, and design marketing material. Consulting. ChatGPT can help you create professional and informative presentations and proposals for your consulting business. You can use ChatGPT to generate unique and engaging content that will impress your clients and help you stand out in your field. And number 10, coaching or tutoring. If you're a coach or tutor, ChatGPT can help you create lesson plans and other material for your clients. You can use ChatGPT to generate unique and engaging content that will make your lesson more effective and enjoyable for your students. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you save time and effort. This powerful tool can help you succeed in any of these 10 side hustles. Whether you're a freelancer writer, social media manager, virtual assistant, ChatGPT can help you generate unique and engaging content that will appeal to your audience and help you stand out in your field. So, if you're looking to start a side hustle in 2023 and want to make the most of your time and resources, ChatGPT is the way to go. With ChatGPT by your side, you will be well on your way to turning your side hustle into a successful and rewarding business. We hope this video has inspired you to start your own side hustle and give you ideas on how ChatGPT can help. If you have any questions or want to share your own side hustle journey, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all our new content. We'll see you on the next video.